Hello, my name is Gabriel Herrera Janius, and I'm a student for analysis and software development. Today, we're talking about the artificial intelligence, also known as AI. We have noticed that there is a lot of information about AI in different areas, but today we're going to talk about AI in our area, that is software development. So, first of all, we need to know what is artificial intelligence. AI is in a specialist area from computer science that focus on creating a machine, basically a software that is going to be able to read information, identify different languages, making decisions, maybe analyze some images and generate a response depending on what we request the intelligence to do for us. When we talk about AI in our area, that is everything about software and programming, it is a really interesting tool because it's going to help us to improve our activities, also our efficiency in every kind of jobs. Is going to maybe make our job easier in some spaces where we have some kind of issues, or when we're trying to create a software that is kind of hard, so we can use AI in order to support our work. Right now, the most popular one is ChatGPT, where you can ask some questions, maybe require some assistance in order to create a text. So also you can use it in order to create just the basis of a program that is just real easy to manage, not that specialist for the hard software or a really specific software with all. That is a really good tool that we can use in order to do it. Okay, now we're going to talk about Copilot. Copilot is one of the AI that we got for our biggest tool in order to chart our codes, that is going to help us to preserve different versions. So we got this is a tool for Copilot. It helps us to identify some issues in some lines for your code. So when you upload the code into your GitHub, Copilot will help you to identify maybe any kind of issues that are generating a line in your code, or something that has languages that is not appropriate. Also, it's going to help you to translate, just to sort of call it, translate from one language to another. For example, Python to Java, or JavaScript to another language. So it is really a help tool, and I think that this tool, it will in future will have been the main help for developers that use GitHub as a way to share their code, or maybe to work in a group. Another AI that we got right now is DeepCode. It is similar to Grammarly. People who know Grammarly knows that is a tool that is going to help you to find some errors in a text. So it's going to help you to improve your grammar in a text. In this case, DeepCode is going to do the same, but it's just related to finding bugs. So sometimes we as a developers, we get some kind of issues. We create a code and we find a bug. Or when we just use the software, there's going to be a bug, and DeepCode is going to help us an easy way to find a bug in our software. So DeepCode will have helped people to make just finding bugs as easy as a piece of cake. So, in conclusion, we can say that AI in some months, I assume, and maybe in a years, it will be the most important part of so many areas. And for programming, we will have it as a main tool to make our work easier, and also to make all the software development just quicker. So we're going to able to provide just a need from a customer that is requiring a software. We're going to be able to do it in a shorter time just using this AI in the best way possible.